Imagine taking the rare, quiet magic of a deep woodland encounter and bringing it right to your front porch. The sound of rushing water, the rugged texture of ancient stone, a space that doesn't just sit in nature, but invites it in. For these homeowners, that connection to the wild was a passion. Tucked away on a 30-acre wooded property right in the middle of a city-type environment, they cherished every fleeting glimpse of the forest's life. They dreamed of a space that felt raw and untouched, a moving body of water that belonged to the forest without the worry of keeping fish. So they reached out, and together we didn't just build a waterfall, we carved a habitat. Instead of a small, typical setup, we designed a striking 10-foot-long pondless waterfall. We anchored it with massive boulders, some weighing up to 2,000 pounds, so it looked like the earth had simply parted around them. And right in the middle, we built a large, open pooling area. It's perfectly sized so that even a deer could step right in, lay down, and cool off. And when the water finally flowed, the forest answered. Now, they don't have to venture deep into the trees to find peace. They just look out their kitchen window. They didn't just get a water feature, they got a daily embrace from nature. A place where the wild feels welcome, and the woods feel like home.